Hello everyone, I am Sai and welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's video, I'll try to talk about the dual app functionality in the OnePlus Nord 2 device. Yes friends, finally the dual app functionality, which is the app cloning problem, got solved in the OnePlus Nord 2. Yes, now you can actually use the dual app functionality without any kind of problem. Let me try to open the settings. So let me try to show you the app management, and here you can find the app cloner, and now as you can see all the apps are completely displayed. This is the OnePlus Nord 2 only friends. So just today morning only I did address the problem. If you watch my video you will definitely understand top 5 issues which I did mention. The first issue is this one only, which is the app cloning, which is not working after the recent update, but still now I was able to use it, as you can see friends, exactly. So all of a sudden it got fixed. I did not get any kind of update, nothing at all, but still it got fixed all of a sudden. That is what I'm trying to mention. And this is the version which I'm trying to run, which is 11.13 only. And right now I will be able to use the app cloning without any kind of problem in this WhatsApp and everything. As you can see friends, now it's creating app clone. It's working successfully in the OnePlus Nord 2 only. As you can see, it's added. This is a OnePlus Nord 2 only friends. So finally the problem got fixed. So these are the software issues which will be definitely fixed in the future. That is the reason I did say these are softwares. So they will get fixed, but it takes some time. But it's really quick in the OnePlus Nord 2. That's really good. So these are the things which are fixed friends. And finally let me know in the comment section below if you are using the OnePlus Nord 2, did the problem got fixed or not in your device. So my unit, I can definitely say the problem got fixed, no issues. So thank you for watching this video friends, and see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned for more updates. In case if you have any other doubts regarding this app cloner, let me know in the comment section below. Until then, stay tuned friends, bye.